So you think that it's going to melt faster on this one or this one? That one.
Last year, we started partnering with Gonzaga University with their Center for Climate, Society, and the Environment. And with that, they went out to 38 classrooms to pilot the kits and the lessons.
And I want you to make predictions with your table about on which ice block will the ice melt faster.
So this is our second year. We have 8 undergraduate students, and really what we're trying to do is bring Spokane Public Schools students the ability to engage hands-on based on curriculum they're already learning in their classrooms.
We found that there was this need to look at climate and weather and energy. There's 4 different lessons in each kit, 2nd grade through 5th grade, and they really are a great supplement for our curriculum.
We are now the first district in Washington State where every elementary school is going to have access to hands-on kits that center around climate literacy, and that is a huge step for Eastern Washington and for all of the students in Spokane Public Schools, that they're getting the opportunity to engage regularly with hands-on science, learning about climate change, and we're really proud of that.